How to fix the dev error in Call of Duty Zombies. Fix number 1. Verify files and clear shader cache. In Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties, Local Files, and verify integrity of game files. In Battle.net, click the gear icon and then Scan and Repair. This refreshes any missing or corrupted files. To clear the Zombies shader cache, go to Documents, Call of Duty, Players, and Cache, and delete all contents to force recompile on next launch. Fix number 2, update GPU drivers. So I'm using an NVIDIA graphics card. I'm just gonna type in NVIDIA driver update. And from here, simply select your graphics card and find the driver, or you can download the app. Fix number 3, disable overlays and background apps. Some overlays interfere with rendering. Uncheck the Steam overlay in the game settings, and when it comes to Discord, NVIDIA, or GeForce Experience overlays, disable them within their own settings. And if none of this works, uninstall the game completely and then reinstall it again. Reapply all updates and allow shader compilation to complete before jumping in. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.